Hello everybody, welcome again from AMT Auto Leeds. My name's James. I'd like to show you today this absolutely stunning Kia Stinger. This is an 1868 plate, 3.3 litre V6 GTS, packing 365 brake horsepower. Not only that, but it's got all the bells and whistles to go with it as well. So we'll show you through some of them. Straight away, we've got the two-stage memory seating with full electric function and the Harmon Kardon upgraded surround sound system. It has full black leather upholstery, and to go hand in hand with that, we've got heated seats and ventilated seats as well. Find you getting cold hands in the winter? Don't worry, we've also got a heated steering wheel. We've also got the sliding panoramic roof. There is not a bad word to say about this car. Oh, and before I finish, we've also got wireless charging as well. Stick your phone in there, bang, your phone's going to be charging while you're driving. Now, this absolute beast is packing a bit of a punch. It's got some stunning 19-inch wheels on it, but not only that, it's got the red brake calipers which go hand in hand with the Brembo brakes. So, for any further information, please give the sales team a call, and thanks again for watching.
AMT Auto are established nationwide business with locations in London, Birmingham, Leeds and Scotland. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with our newest videos at Leeds. AMT Auto, the UK's favourite car buying experience.